President of the United Nations General Assembly, Philemon Yang, visited Equity for discussions centered on youth innovation, digital technology and sustainable development.
We have worked especially with the UN agencies in disbursements and cash transfers.
This included a tour of Equity's cutting-edge technology and innovation hub, which showcases the company's efforts to upskill Equity Leaders Program scholars.
We basically measured on the agriculture sector, especially engineering, civil engineering, statistics.
Enterprise resource planning tools are there. There are many, but they're not affordable. And that is our main reason for this solution. And we hope to empower more businesses to be economically transformed by adapting this solution.
The visit highlighted the shared commitment to address global challenges through technology and collaboration.
We have taken that bold step in giving hope to these young people to be the providers of the solutions to African problems.
Young encouraged the youth to nurture their imagination and direct their energies toward creating meaningful change globally.
The efforts you make are key to what you are and what you will be. Don't let your imagination die. This is not about the past, it's about the present, how you can make efforts to shape the future.
The Principal Secretary of the Ministry of ICT, Engineer John Tanui, highlighted the vital role of regional collaboration in addressing unemployment and technological gaps in Africa.
Our aim as a country to create location for our youth where they can learn, equip themselves, and to be able to access global opportunities. And Equity is one great partner. This is the platforms that will create solutions for the future of the continent, and we are looking forward to enhancing this.
The visit, supported by key UN agencies and Kenyan government representatives, highlighted the growing partnership between Equity and the United Nations in driving sustainable development through innovation and youth-focused initiatives.